Communication protocols. This refers to the specific rules and configurations that two devices is going to use to communicate. These could include aspects like electrical characteristics, timing, meaning of signals, in other words, what's considered a logic 1 and a logic 0. We're looking at firstly the RS232 communication protocol. This is the primary protocol used when communicating with a microcontroller, and it originally ran off the D9 or the DB9 connector. Computers don't come out with those anymore, so manufacturers have converted to a USB to RS232 cable configuration. Now, the way that the RS232 operates is we've got a 0 volt reference, voltage, and it generates two levels. We've got a plus 3 volt level and a minus 3 volt level. Microcontroller typically runs on 5 volts. So we've got a plus 3 and a minus 3 level. So any information or any signal that goes above the plus 3 level is considered a logic 0. And anything that goes below the minus 3 level is considered a logic 1. The male and female connectors are referred to as the data terminal equipment, or the DTE, and the female connector is called the data communication equipment. Or the DCE. Disadvantage with the RS232 protocol is the 0 volt reference. Any interference from external is going to change that 0 volt reference, and as a result the value of the positive and negative 3 volts is going to be obscured and data can be easily corrupted. To overcome this, data cables are made very short to limit the amount of interference, and secondly, the cables are magnetically shielded. Basically, a layer of aluminium foil is wrapped inside the wire to stop any magnetic fields. This causes the communication cables to be a lot more expensive. The advantage, however, of the RS232 protocol is the request to send, clear to send handshaking. Request to send, clear to send handshake, also called the RTS CTS protocol. The advantage with this is when information is going to be sent, the transmitter sends a signal to the receiver and basically finds permission or sees if the receiver is ready to receive data. The receiver, once it's ready to receive, then returns a reply to the transmitter device and says it is ready to receive, and then communication starts to occur, and this process assists in synchronization. Synchronization between devices.